Hi, Sari. What do you have?
Penguin in a boat in the water.
We got penguins in a ship on an iceberg. It's a pirate ship.
Yeah.
How many penguins do you have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
16 penguins. That's a lot of penguins. So what's the game about? It's about
40 penguins.
yeah, you will have to put the penguins on top of the pirate ship and make sure you don't let them fall off the ship. Okay? You will try to balance them.
My turn.
So, who's gonna go first? Is it Sari or Meow-Meow?
Me.
Sari? Meow-Meow, is that okay with you?
Let's start the game.
Okay. Who goes first? Sari will go first. Gently put the penguin. Meow-Meow, it's your turn.
Mom, you know how I do it? Mom, you know what? When I do, you can use some. It's look like it's whipped cream.
Ah, the sound of the... Oh, look at Meow-Meow. Sari, look at Meow-Meow. Can Meow-Meow balance it? Ah, Meow! You lose! Sari wins! That's 1 point for Sari. Do you want to do another one? Yeah? Okay. Let's do another one. Make sure you gently put the penguin on the pirate ship. Find the spot where the ship will balance. Oh, good job, Sari. Good job. Meow meow. Silly meow meow. You lose, meow meow. Sari, you win again. That's 2 points for you and 0 points for meow meow. Are we having another one?
Yeah.
Yeah? If you win this round, then you are the winner. Okay? If Meow Meow wins, then we can have another round. Yes? I'll go. Slowly, gently. Where will you put it? Where will you put it? Good job. Meow Meow's turn. Meow Meow's turn. Oh, good job, Meow Meow. I think that will hold.
Maybe.
It should hold. It should hold. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Go, Sari.
My turn.
Oh, oh, no.
Almost.
You gonna fix it?
Almost
Okay.
close.
Almost. Almost got Meow Meow. Will it hold? Boom! So Meow Meow won that round.
You got 2 points. 1 point.
Yeah, he got 1 point and Sari has 2 points.
Ew.
One more? Okay. Let's do another round.
I will put it
Where are you going to put it?
here.
Oopsie.
Let's see. Mommy, my mom touch the pond the toe. Who's my favorite toe? Mommy, my mom. Oh! That's a ball.
Meow Meow's turn. Nice one, Meow Meow.
Nice one. That's a good.
Sari, it's your turn.
I'm scared.
Gently, gently. Oopsie. I think you need to put it again. Because it... That's so cute. Look at the penguins. So funny.
That's a good choice.
Meow meow.
Meow, meow.
Gently. Gentle. Look. Sari, look. Will it hold?
Would it hold?
You think Meow Meow can still balance it? Ah! Ah! Sari, you won! You won! Good job. Nice game. High five. Shake hands. Good job. Look at your penguins. Still holding on. Nice. Did you like this game?
Yeah.
You like it? Yeah, it's fun.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.